Let learning be a joy and teaching a pleasure. Here we are with the remote teaching and learning process to bridge the gap. Happy learning, students.
Welcome students, Standard 6, English Grammar, Chapter 9, Pronouns. In the previous video of pronouns, we have learned about pronoun and its kinds. And now we know that there are 7 kinds of pronouns. They are personal pronouns, indefinite pronouns, relative pronouns, intensive pronouns, demonstrative pronouns, interrogative pronouns, and reflexive pronouns. In this video, we will learn about personal pronouns. Personal pronouns are based on various types. We will understand them one by one. Personal pronouns are divided into persons. They are first person, second person, and third person. Now let me explain you with the help of a very simple example. Suppose a teacher and a student is inside a classroom, and the teacher is telling something to the student about Richa, who is not present in the classroom. Let's listen to what the teacher is saying to the student.
I told you to call her.
In this case, I, that is the teacher, is the first person, as he is the person who is speaking. You, that is the student, is the second person, who is listening to the teacher. And her, that is Richa, is the third person, who is not present in the classroom while they are talking. Now, pronoun numbers. Personal pronouns can be divided based on numbers. They are singular and plural. Singular is used when we talk about only one person or thing, whereas plural is used when we talk about more than one person or thing. Personal pronouns are further divided into cases. We called them pronoun case. Case refers to the way a personal pronoun is used in a sentence. Personal pronouns have 3 cases: subjective, objective, and possessive. Pronouns used as a subject in a sentence is said to be in the subjective case. For example, I, we, you, he, she, they. Objective case, pronouns used as objects of verbs or prepositions. Examples: me, us, him, her, them. Now, possessive case, pronouns which express ownership. Example: my, mine, our, ours, his, her, hers, their, theirs, its. So children, let's quickly go through what I have just said. Personal pronouns have person, number, and case. Now we will look into each person separately to understand this pronoun. First person, Now what is it? It represents the person speaking. Remember the example I, the teacher, which was the first person. So, a first person refers to the speaker. It is divided into two parts, singular and plural, and three types, subjective, objective, and possessive. Subjective, singular I and plural we. Objective, singular me and plural us. Possessive, singular my, mine and plural our, ours. Now let's look into the sentence examples. I am a student of TVM. Here I is used in the subject and is a singular form. Next, we are students of TVM. Here we is used in the subject and is a plural form. Second person. It represents the person who is listening. Remember the example student you, which was second person. So, a second person refers to the person being spoken to. In the second person, singular and plural forms are the same and divided into subjective, objective, and possessive. Subjective you for both singular and plural, objective you for both singular and plural, possessive your and yours for both singular and plural. Let's look into the sentence examples. You like drawing. Here you is used as a singular form and as a subject. Next, you are all doing well. Here you is used as a plural form as we are addressing more than one, and it is used as a subject. Third person. It represents the person or thing other than the first or the second person. That is, a third person pronoun refers to the person being spoken of. Remember the example Richa, her, which was third person. They are divided into singular and plural, and further divided into subjective, objective, and possessive. Subjective, singular, he, she, it, plural, they. Objective, singular, him, her, it, plural, them. Possessive, singular, his, her, hers, its, and plural, their, theirs. Now let's look into the sentence examples. He reads book. Here he is used as a third person, as a subject in singular form. Next, they read books. Here they is used for more than one person and is used as a subject. Let's quickly see the chart and what we have covered in this video. We have discussed about personal pronouns, and that's all for today's video. Thank you, students.